So I'd like to dedicate this song to my mother. Well, Mama drove a beer truck, and that's where her and Daddy hooked up. They had themselves a wild night between a Heineken and Miller Lite. And 9 months later she popped the top, and ever since then I ain't been able to stop. Thanks to beer truck love, yeah, I'm sitting here sipping these suds tonight, and the whole town calls me Bud, that's right. And it's all because of all that beer truck love. Yeah, check it out. My baby bottle had a twist cap, and my sippy cup was on tap. Ain't that right, Mom? I was never good at high school, but I'm a pro on a bar stool. Yeah, it must be genetic, why I'm built this way. You might think it's pathetic, but what else can I say? But thanks to beer truck love, yeah, I'm sitting here sipping these suds tonight, and the whole town calls me Bud, that's right. And it's all because of all that beer truck love. Yeah. I call him Timmy Golden Fingers, because his fingers are the new currency, guys. Well, Mom's done checked out, and I inherited her truck route. Yeah, there's a pretty girl downtown working at the Lizard Lounge. I deliver to her 2 times a week. She likes to hop in the bag and have a few with me. Thanks to beer truck love, yeah, we're sitting here sipping these suds tonight, just like Mama and Daddy, that's right. And it's all because of all that beer truck love. Y'all check it out. This is my mom's favorite part right here. Well, I wouldn't be on this planet if they had no wham bam did. Thank you, ma'am, did. In the back of that beer truck, in the back of that beer truck, sing it. In the back of that beer truck, in the back of that beer truck, in the back of that beer truck, in the back of that beer truck love.